Under the emergency procurement powers granted by the Defense Ministry, the Indian Navy has swiftly leased 2 Sea Guardian drones from the US firm General Atomics for a period of 1 year, which had secretly arrived in India in the second week of November, and the 2 fully operational drones were inducted into the Indian Navy on 21st November. Officials have said that the drones have already started flying operations and are meant for carrying out surveillance and anti-submarine operations in the Indian Ocean region, but they can currently be deployed along the line of actual control. Under the lease agreement, the American support staff will help in the maintenance and technical issues, while the sortie planning and the flying operations would be with the Indian Navy, and the information gathered by these drones would also be the exclusive property of the Indian Navy. The Ministry of Defence is all set to issue a formal tender for building 6 new generation stealth submarines under a $7 billion project that will include an Indian manufacturer to tie up with a foreign partner for production of these next-generation submarines with their independent propulsion systems. Officials have said that the request for proposal has undergone the process of legal vetting and will be released to the shortlisted companies very soon. The Indian Army has conducted a successful test of the BrahMos supersonic cruise system for the second time in the last 2 days, and both BrahMos systems were tested successfully for a range of 400 kilometers from the Andaman and Nicobar Command. These tests are part of the multiple operational tests that are being conducted by the 3 armed services. Bharat Electronics Limited has chosen the Danish company Terma for the Phase-2 of the coastal surveillance system being established for the Indian Coast Guard. While Phase-1 has been successfully established with the network of 46 Cantor 2001 radar sites, and now the Phase-2 will cover up the gaps and strengthen it with 38 more radar sites. Terma will also provide additional technology transfer to Bharat Electronics Limited for manufacturing the radars required for the Phase-2 project. Hindustan Aeronautics has communicated that its workers' union have given notice for a nationwide general strike on 26 November against the policies and legislations of the government. Other worker unions across India from Bharat Electronics Limited, Bharat Earth Movers Limited and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited will also go on a one-day strike on 26 November. The 3 worker federations of the Ordnance Factory Board have submitted a detailed proposal to the Ministry of Defence, suggesting numerous ways to improve their functioning without corporatisation, and achieve the 30,000 crore rupees production target within 5 years. The ordnance factories have proposed to maintain a rationalised manpower strength, and the procedure for acceptance of the final products will include pre-dispatch inspection. India is planning 2 new trilateral naval exercises. The first will include the navies of Australia and Indonesia, and the second will include France and Australia. France has expressed interest to join the AUS Index naval exercise of India and Australia,